Boo. Hello everyone. Today is a very special day for two reasons. Reason number one, because today is the day I joined YouTube. Two, because today it's my birthday. Yes, Billy the Thumb's birthday is November 29th. Yay! Cab, cab, cab. Oh, Lamborghini cab, that works. Cool. Oh yeah.
Get inside, you idiot!
Aw. Thank you.
Sure thing.
Bartender,
What do you want?
a beer.
Oof.
These things are huge in person. Oh my god. I'm hammered.